Hi there. In this video, we'll walk through how to shut down or restart a controller via the PowerVault Manager. Before continuing, please note that shutting down or restarting a controller stops all communication to the hosts and may cause disruption. To begin, log in to the PowerVault Manager with your administrator credentials. Click on the Maintenance tab on the left and select Hardware from the drop-down. With the enclosure selected, click on the Actions drop-down and click on Restart/Shutdown System. To shut down the controller, select Shutdown SC Operation, and to restart the controller, select Restart SC Operation. Select the controller module to shut down or restart, A, B, or both. Select Apply and a confirmation panel will appear. Click on OK to continue with the desired process. And that's it. For more information on this topic, check out the links in the description below and check out our other videos for more handy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.